Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of Friday, May the 29th. This second Sudoku is a Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. Alright, I see. Yes, these three missing numbers in this row. The missing numbers here are the 2, the 5, and the 8. 2, 5, 8. I see here the 2 and the 5 in this big square, so one number left for the 8. Here goes the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then the 7 in this column, the 7 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 7. Then, how about yeah, I know, yes. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes. Second digit. Then, how about the number? The number. The number Which number can I use? Which number can I use? Which number can I use? Yeah. 6. I'm scanning. How about the number? Three, four, five. The 6. 8. No. 1, 8, and the 4. Yes, these 3 numbers in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 1, the 4, and the 8. I see here the 4 and the 8. No 4 and the 8 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 1. The 4 and the 8 are left. 4 and the 8 are left. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I need more digits. I cannot fill this yet. How about 6 is missing. Wow. This is taking too long. All right. 4, 6, yes. How about Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have in this row an 8 in one of these 2 boxes, an 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And then 3 missing numbers in the first column. The missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 8. We see here the 2 and the 3, so no 2 and the 3 there. So 1 digit left for the 8. Here we have the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. That means these 3 boxes are reserved for the numbers 1, 4, and 9. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 4 goes there, 1 box left for the 4. The 9 and the 1 are left. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes. 2 numbers left. Can I fill this? Those numbers are the 3 and the 8. The 3 and the 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that next column, in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. Then 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9, 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. Can I fill this yet? No, 9 and 8 cannot fill. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square. The numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, almost the same time as the previous Sudoku with a 1 star. Alright, you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down, and you can also download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. Thank you for now, and see you in a minute. Bye bye.